Shall we they blow your mind, Afghanistan? Kilometers. I don't come kilometers. I don't walk that many kilometers. Come on.
Yo, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Mano, aka Palmer Papi. Welcome back again to the channel, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new here, I do a bunch of album reviews for Afropop, Afrobeats, everything Nigerian music scene. Let's go, let's get it, alright? Today we're looking at Burna Boy. New Burna Boy, first single of the year. Might be gearing up for an album, most likely. So it's looking like he's releasing an album every year now. Yes, Burna Boy has been needing a hit. Like, I'm talking an undeniable hit. I'm talking a slapper. I'm talking a killing them. I'm talking anybody. I'm talking on the low to some extent, you know. To some extent, that was what was like a lot of people's setback on Twice as Tall. Nonetheless, it's a Grammy award-winning album, so we can't say much. All right, but right now we're excited about this new sound. He has teased it last year. The anticipation is there. Like, right now, it's been out for only a couple hours and it's already getting like 100 and something thousand views on YouTube. So I can't imagine. Yeah, I'm excited about this one. The drop was crazy. It's going with a dancehall Galala vibe. Something very energetic, something very high tempo, like it's getting you turned. And we're about to open up the summer, you know. We're looking for that anthem. Everybody's dropping music right now, trying to catch that summer anthem. And could this be one of them? Let's find out. Okay, let's find out. Without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get right into it. Kilometre by Burna Boy. Let's go. Ooh, okay. I'm sorry. Those drums. Nah, bro. You hear those drums? Come on. Big tune. Let's go. Hey, I love this entrance already, bro. Hey.
I don't come kilometers. I don't walk that many kilometers.
Hey, yo, Burna Boy, first thing already, bro. Let's go, bro. This is exciting, man. Let me relax. It's only been 20 seconds, bro. What? Man, okay, let's chill. Burna Boy, this entrance is mean. It's very authoritative. It's coming here with so much command, so much demand. Like, the drums backing it up. Who produced this one, man? Mad, bro. And let's run that intro.
Kilometers. I don't come kilometers. I don't walk that many kilometers. Learn from the teacher.
I don't walk how many kilometers. He's telling you he has walked this walk, man.
I don't walk that many kilometers. Learn from the teacher. I don't take for the game, she no pitas. I just say bad mind from.
He's paying homage to the GOAT. I say, I don't take for this game, she no pitas. Bro, tell them, my G.
Learn from the teacher. I don't take for the game, she no pitas. I decide bad mind from a distance. Not this sweet, I be alamo pitas.
Not this sweet, I be alamo pitas, bro. Burna's coming here with bars, bro. He's coming here with bars, low key, man.
I decide bad mind from a distance. Not this sweet, I be alamo pitas.
Hey. Burna is making that claim. Odogu again, bro. I'm sorry for the pauses, bro. But this, okay, let's actually piece down what exactly Burna is running on with here, because I'm here for the runs. I'm here for the cadence so far, and the delivery is energetic, man. He's layering his vocals too. The atmosphere is hyped, bro. I'm here. Nah, it's Chopsticks. He's responsible for this monster of a beat, bro. Chopsticks, man. Yeah. This fine, man.
This time I call chopsticks for assistance. Shall we they blow your mind, Afghanistan? kilometers. I don't come kilometers. I don't walk that many kilometers.
Come on.
I'm from the teacher.
Come on.
I don't take for the game, she no pitas.
I don't take for this game, she know. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Burna is not here to play. He's making a claim. He's claiming his territory here, man. He's claiming his territory, man. I don't take for this game. This is like, I wasn't born yesterday, man. That's why he's telling you all, man.
I don't come kilometers. I don't walk that many kilometers. I'm from the teacher. I don't take for the game, she no pitas.
Hey.
Come make I give you digits. When's the last time somebody did it like this?
Hey.
Too much ice on my bumper clap wrist.
Okay, now he went extra dancehall on horse with those. You hear he changed his tone already. He just came out with like like it's inner Baba Frayo, bro.
Too much ice on my bumper clap wrist.
Hey.
That's why everybody hating on me like Chris.
Hey. Nah, bro. Too much bomber class ice. Too much ice on our wrist, bro. He's bragging. It's coming with this braggadocio, bro. I'm here for it, man. I'm here.
Kilometers. I don't come kilometers.
For some reason, the bass wasn't heavy on that part. Why wasn't it heavy, man? Keep it consistent, please. Please keep it consistent.
That's why everybody hating on me like Chris.
That's why everybody hating on me like Chris. You know, everybody hates Chris. Okay, I see you, brother. I see you.
People think I be Johnny just come.
Hey.
I just got rich like my money just come.
Hey.
And them back to where they come from.
Hey. Nah, you think I just came here? You think it's just a new thing to me, bro? That's what he's saying, bro. You think I made Johnny just come? You think I just got here, bro? Let's go.
Send them back to where they come from.
Send
We're
them.
talking like the product of a torn condom. Outside no come from.
You're talking like a product of a torn condom. He's basically saying you're a mistake. He just said you're a mistake. Damn. Alright.
I'm in a care, my brother. One side, sit down for one chair, my brother. Me will make you this
down.
my brother. My brother. Long time it takes to reach here, my brother.
It says long time it takes to reach here, man. Grammy award winning. It took him a long time, bro. It took him a long time. Burna's been what? Since 2011, 2012, Born Identity, when it came out, bro. Burna has worked. Oh, Burna has worked, man. I have to give him his accolades. We've said it before on this channel numerous times, but he's out here professing it on this record, on this dirty, like nasty, mean, authoritative. Again, I'm using the word authoritative because there's so much command and terror that comes with this song, man. It's like, bro.
Kilometers. I don't come up.
Keep those drums there, please. Keep those drums there. Keep those drums there and even give it extra vim. I want more vim.
Don't come kilometers. I don't walk that many kilometers. Let this sweet be alama pitas.
Let this sit and be alama vita. Let's play. I'm about to give us a dance break. Let's go. Eh? Let's go. Come on, bro. Come on. Burna do all, man. Bro, this track. I don't know, man. I mean, that Grammy has given him extra. There's some extra confidence that comes with the Grammy, you know, and he's just laying that here. That extra, like, dominance of like this entire territory. You're claiming your zone. You're claiming everything. He does so much braggadocio here. You can see him when he's saying like, they didn't just bomb me yesterday, bro. Like, I got so much ice on my wrist. Come on, man. Like, I enjoyed the wordplay here and the rhyme scheme, especially from the first verse. How he basically went with the cadence of the hook for like a couple bars and then switched up the flow. I just love that. This song was very dynamic. Burna, obviously, we already know him to be fusing a lot of sounds. He had the attitude of a rapper, but delivered it like a dancehall artist, man, like a Vibes Cartel or something. And it was heavy. It was a heavy jam. Let's talk about the production on this beat. Like, on the production here is insane. Like, I love the idea of the beat. Like, I love the direction of the, like, it's very, very well orchestrated. Like, there were layers in the intro, like the command in the intro was there, but there were certain pieces of the song that was like, I just want just an extra, what's one extra layer to give the beat more, to give you more extra vim. By vim, I mean like just to ginger it more, just to energize him, just to take it up one more notch. You know what I mean? Just in terms of like creating that bass, creating that atmosphere. Maybe it's my headphones. Maybe I'm not hearing this in the best capacity for the entire song. But I just want, I want to hear this in like in a club setting or in like a huge boom box speakers. I'm gonna try other speakers to see how much the bass is really hitting. Like, I want to see how the bass is knocking on this one. So I want the bass to like slap me. You know what I mean? Like just scatter. Like, you know what I mean? I want that bass to hit. You know, but I don't think it was all the way hitting there. Like, I don't think it was quite there. But trust me, still made for a favorable moment. Definitely a good record to come out for the summer with. Burna is definitely rolling out to an album. There's a question now to be said about releasing another album. Very, very close to Twice the Star. Twice the Star bagged the Grammy, and this one, like, back the Grammy, but like, you don't want to come here and try and make another attempt towards a Grammy. I feel for the Grammy right now. Wizkid's Made in Lagos is making a very good claim out of Nigeria, at least for the next round of Grammys. If not a guaranteed nomination, there's a good chance it might be picking up from the global music album, now that Twice the Star has kind of opened the doors to more contemporary music picking up the award. So yeah, anyway, that's one of those things. But I don't know, I wanted you guys to actually leave in the comment section, do you guys think Burna should drop an album, or he should hit the pause breaks for this year? At least he has been dropping an album every year since 2018. Okay, outside African Giant, Twice the Star, and now another album. Like, anyways, leave in the comment section what you guys think, man. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, I've been your boy Emmanuel, aka Power and Pappy. Definitely do not leave without hitting the like button and subscribe as well. We're growing. Hopefully we hit 5K very soon. Definitely, please, let's make that happen. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.